So my wife's grandparents had some old cameras. This is a Canon AE1, kind of like considered kind of the most popular film camera back in the day. So I went to the store, bought some black and white film, not on Amazon, and I have been shooting film for the last couple days and just kind of figuring it out, understanding how it works. I've always wanted to kind of get into photography, but it's always been kind of like this mysterious thing. So I'm going to take some pictures, get them developed. There's a ritual to it that I actually like. I like the ritual aspect of taking pictures, going to the store. There's these steps, getting it developed. You got your negatives, all these different things. These are black and white, so it's kind of artsy, you know. And from there, we'll see what happens. So I'm excited. We'll see what happens here with some street photography. That's really what I'm kind of focusing on, which is a little challenging because, one, street photography is a lot of like about people, and that's kind of what I want to focus on, not necessarily architecture. And two, there's not many people here in Ventura. I've kind of like did my circuit and I need to go to some bigger cities to really see like crowds and things and stuff like that, but we're doing that today. Decided to come back out at night. Gonna see if I can find some other shots now. Of course, gonna have to change my shutter speed for the night, and it's windy, so this might not even work. We'll see what happens here. There's not much happening here for street photography. I need to come like on Friday night when I can see people. So instead, I'll just record some video of me skating. That'll be what's up. Okay, let's talk about the other item on this video. Trinity 7, one of the mangas I got when I was in Japan. So Trinity 7, produced here in the States by Yin Press, translated in I got this in Tokyo again in one of those. I think I got this at Book Off, the used bookshop, and this was in the English section, which is a very tiny little like section. This was $2, so not much of an investment, and it says it's mature, but I wouldn't want to go for that. It's not really mature. Story by Kinji Saito. Art by Akinari Nao. There's the cover. This is book 1, so I'm getting on the ground floor. And I will be honest with you, I didn't even finish it. This is like 150 pages, 160 pages. I got to about page 100, and I'm just like, I'm just not interested. I got too much stuff to read. I got 8 Ball. I got the 8 Ball graphic novel over there. I got to get through. The art is serviceable. Let me put this on. I mean, the art's fine. Art's good. Right. I mean, the art is manga art. It's exactly what you would think of when you think of kind of like art from, the 90s to the 2000s. It's just, there's no real uniqueness to it, character, personality, line, interest. It's just like cranking out, comics. The story is about a young man who notices that both the sun and the moon are black. No one else seems to know that. Well, there's a reason why. He's in some kind of alternate reality that he learns that he's a mage, and this is the 7 magicians, and he's one of these magicians, and he goes to the school. This is you're going to notice these tropes, right? Kid learns he's got powers, goes to a school for special people with powers to now fight the global threat or the enemy of whatever, right? It's like, we see that in everywhere. There's, he's maybe more powerful than others. He's like the chosen one, all that kind of whole deal. I think part of it was not good. Part of it could be the translation. There were parts in here that it was just rough English. It was just rough. It just didn't really match sometimes the drawings, or it just felt a little rough, and so it could be part of that too. But Trinity 7, I wouldn't. I'm sharing with you because I said I'm going to go through these videos, but yeah, this is one don't even bother with it. There you go. That's it for me. More videos are coming up, so stay tuned, biscuits. Bye, guys.